What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. Today, guys, we'll be trying E85 on the M5 for the first time. So I did do the same exact video with my 535 when I first did it, and you guys seem to like it. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing with the M5, especially because there's like, again guys, there's like no information on the forums, on Facebook, anything about like ethanol and the M5 right here, not over there, but right here. But yeah, anyways guys, we're gonna go ahead and try it today. I do need to pump gas right now. I did let the car go empty just for this video. I usually don't let it go all the way to like 5 or anything like that. I usually pump when it's like a half a quarter, I'll pump gas or so. But yeah, anyways, got the M5 right here. We're gonna go to my local ethanol gas station, and then we're gonna go ahead and pump gas. Right now I'm gonna go look online, see if I can find out exactly how much I'm supposed to pump. But the JB4 actually lets you read how much ethanol content is inside your gas tank. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see how much I should pump, and once I pump it, I'm gonna see how much it actually shows that is in the car, and then we'll go from there. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the pits.
Open the aperture your QR code.
Alright guys, so I think we're gonna pump like 6 or 7 gallons, because I think online it says this is a 20-gallon tank, but I think I usually fill up with like 18 or close to 19. So yeah, I'm gonna pump like 6, maybe 7 gallons, and then we'll see how that does. Again, I'm gonna check on the app to see if it shows by any chance like the ethanol content, and then we'll go from there. Must be nice for E85 people. And now for the expensive stuff. Sheesh. Ready to see how it feels. Alright guys, that should be a full tank right there. First startup with the E85. I don't expect a difference on startups, but yeah, I'm gonna drive the car smooth and normal for a couple miles, and then we'll go ahead and try it out. If not, I might just try it out at night, just because if you guys watch my videos, you guys know I just prefer to record videos at night and stuff, like driving at least, because I feel like there's less traffic, and like there's not so much like traffic noise, I guess. But yeah, you guys can see the car over there with headlights. Hey, that looks pretty good. Anyways guys, like I said, I'm gonna drive the car for a bit, just casually, and then we'll go ahead and test it out after. Alright guys, so it is later at night, as you guys can see. I'm setting up the GoPro right now, you can see right there, and then I'll probably have this camera recording me from somewhere in the car. I don't have like an actual camera mount to put on the window or something to actually record my angle, so maybe I'll do it how I did last time, and I'll put you guys like right here or something. I don't know, that might cover, the shift knob might actually cover that, but yeah, I'll figure something out, and then we'll go for a little drive, test it out, and see how it goes. Obviously we're gonna go to Mexico real quick and test it out. But yeah, I tried figuring out the whole E85 thing with JB4. I'm not too sure, I don't know exactly how it works, but I think you might need like a flex fuel sensor or something, so it can actually read how much ethanol is in like the fuel system. I didn't know that, because the JB4 app actually gives you an option to set E85 gauge, so I thought maybe it just worked like that, but I guess not. I'm not too sure exactly how it works. If any of you guys know, let me know in the comments below if you guys can help me out with that. But yeah, I'm setting up the GoPro right now, setting up this camera wherever I can, and then we'll set up, maybe I'll try putting I'll even try screen recording my phone and putting the boost gauge on the screen, so you guys can see how much boost I'm hitting and stuff like that. And yeah guys, let's go see how it feels. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys don't hear too much road noise. Car is fully warmed. I'm hopping on the freeway. I'm now in Mexico, and we're gonna do some runs, pulls, no runs, do some pulls, and we'll see how it feels, guys. Alright, it's gonna be a 60, third gear. Oh damn! I am running map 7, guys, which is 25 psi peak with race gas, which I'm doing E85, so that's why I did this one. Jesus Christ, bro! Thing feels so good. Guys, I'm getting 8.9 miles per gallon right now. Damn. Rest in peace, wallets. Thing feels so quick. I'm gonna give you guys a little look at the cluster while we do it with a little pull. Alright, here we go. You guys can let me know in the comments below if you think I pumped too much ethanol. I believe I did 7 gallons of ethanol, E85, and the rest was 91. I don't remember exactly how much was the rest, but it was 7 gallons of E85 and the rest was 91. It was like 15 bucks of E85, and there was like 50 actually, like 50 bucks of 91. So yeah, but you guys saw here what it looks like. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's just me, if it's because I haven't driven the car this hard in a little bit or what, but it feels so fast. We are now in the streets of Mexico, no longer on the freeway. I'm trying to find a nice road because, you know, out here most of the roads are kind of messed up, depending where you're at. So I'm trying to find a nice road out here. We can do a little low gear pull. Here goes a 40 roll. Oh my god. This thing feels insane. Bro, I'm pretty sure the E85 made a difference. This can't be the difference of me not driving the car hard a little bit and just driving it, like punching it. Like, this thing actually feels crazy. Bro. Oh my god. I might have to pump E85 from now on. I don't know. Hey, I wouldn't mind if I can pump 485. Pump like 30 bucks instead of 60, 70. We're gonna do one more 40 roll and then we'll head back home. Got a long drive home from Mexico, so we'll do one more and then we gotta go because it's getting late. All right guys, last 40 roll and then we'll go home. Oh my god. All right guys, let's go home. Let's get out of here. All right guys, I'll pick up the camera again whenever I get home, however long that takes, because long drive home. I'll pick up the camera though. All right guys, so that is gonna be the end of this video. You can see how dark it is. It's like 1 in the morning right now. I just decided to come record this outside in front of the car, in front of the beast. But yeah guys, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also real quick, sorry for like the faces that I was making and stuff, and for not giving you guys like a super cool reaction. I was just like so focused on driving, like in the freeway, you know, in Mexico. I was focused on driving and making sure, you know, me and the car was good and everybody around me was good as well, because that's like the priority when you're out here driving, you know what I mean? And yeah, so that's the reason. And also, unfortunately, I wasn't able to put the boost gauge on the screen because when I screen recorded, I didn't turn on the audio, so there was really no way for me to sync the actual video with the boost gauge. So unfortunately I couldn't do that, but for the next one I'll make sure I do it right. And yeah, just want to put that out there real quick. A quick announcement real quick. I want to give you guys another giveaway. The first one was at 500 subscribers and we've gotten so many new subscribers since then. So by 5K, if you guys want a giveaway, we're going to be doing another giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. But with this one, I want your guys' help. I want you guys to tell me what's something that you guys would really like. Go ahead and comment below. The comment with the most likes, I'll try to consider it. Obviously, if we get like a car giveaway and that one gets the most likes, I can't do that, unfortunately. I wish I could, but I can't, not yet, but one day we will. Go ahead and comment down below what's something that you guys would like me to give away. Obviously, I have more than anything F10 subscribers, because that's what I upload. But yeah, anything you guys would like me to give away, make sure to comment that in the comment section below. And yeah guys, I do have a whole bunch of affiliate links in the description. If you guys want to help your boy out, anything that's on there that you guys might want, go ahead and buy it from my link. I would really appreciate that, since I do get commission from that. But yeah guys, with all that being said, road to 5K as of right now, 5,000 subscribers giveaway, possibly 10,000 subscribers giveaway. If you guys want to, if that's something you guys want, make sure to subscribe down below and share the video, share the channel. Let's grow the channel. And with all that being said guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.